What is up everyone? Today I want to share with you 5 major differences between social media and search engine and how does it affect in your marketing for your business. So let's get right into it. Now the first main difference that you can see is that social media such as Facebook, LinkedIn or Instagram is more of a community-based platform where you can find content sharing, people communicating with each other through pages, groups and shares that bring people closer together, and each of these platforms have their own unique characteristics. For example, LinkedIn is more of a professional network based social media, and Facebook is more of an informational and social interaction platform, while Instagram is more of a visual driven based content focusing on the moment and engagement. Now search engine is a place for you to look for information. It's more of a search based intent approach. So what I mean is people usually go to search engine such as Bing, Yahoo or Google to find information there. They have a specific intent in mind, and most of the time they know what to look for: a product, services, topics or a information. Now the second big difference that you can see is that social media focusing on the engagement part and search engine focus a lot on the information and solution based approach. So in social media, people focus a lot of interaction, right? You can like, you can comment, you can share, you can vote with other rich interaction tools for the users. Now whereas search engine focusing on getting more solution, specific information for the users to do review, research and to compare things about certain things online. Now the third difference is the targeting approach when it comes to advertising. So social media targeting are based on who they are, whereas search engine based on what they think. So let me give you an example. Say if you're interested in learning about property investment online course, when we launch a Facebook ads or Instagram ads, we will use interest targeting keywords such as real estate investment, property financing or even stocks investment, alright, or a celebrity speaker of that particular industry. So Facebook would then show my ads to people that I want to target. It sort of acts like a hunter, right? Go after ads that I set out to target. Now when we launch ads using SEM or search engine marketing, we usually add in keywords that have high demand, which high search volume, lower competition, where people are most likely to find out about the product or services that you offer. So say for example, if there are high demand or high search volume of people typing in keywords such as property investment online or how to invest in property, so Google will sort of add like a spider web, right? It add keywords that have a high volume that have demand based on what they type in or what they think, and Google will show your ads to the person to type in that relevant keywords. Now the fourth big difference is the customer buying experience. According to HubSpot data, 71% of people are more likely to make a purchase online if the product or services comes recommended by others. In other words, peer recommendations carry a lot of weight with purchasing decision, especially for the millennials. Now not only that, user-generated content has also a big influence on purchasing decisions. According to Gartner research, 84% of millennials are likely to be influenced to make a purchase based upon user-generated content that is created by strangers. So people prefer engagement over promotion, and that is the drive behind purchasing decisions in social media. So when it comes to search engine, it depends on the keywords that to get your product or services to be seen. It depends on the website, how is it written, the copywriting, how does your website looks like, is it easy to navigate, is it safe, is it mobile friendly, and does it look trustable and professional. And that would influence the buying behavior of these two platforms for different users. Now the next big difference that you can see is that if you have a social media page, example Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, now chances are you will need ongoing effort to build your brands, create engagement and promotion on an ongoing basis. So if you have a social media page, it requires a constant effort to maintain to allow it to build and to perform as its best, or else it will look like an outdated page and it will hurt your reach and also your brand. But if you have a website, for example, people can find you through social media or Google. So what you need to do, usually a website, you just need to set up one time and make sure it functions, all right? A good copywriting, a nice design, and make it easy to navigate, make it user-friendly. And these are some of the things that usually you set up one time and then you can sort of just maintain it. It will require you less time to maintain and to monitor the whole site. So that is the main two difference between social media and having search engine. So I hope these 5 differences give you a better insight on how both social media and search engine works, so that you can prioritize on your marketing effort in the long run. So in fact, you should have both social media pages and websites set up in place to maximize the exposure, engagement, and also the brand, so that you can build these tools concurrently. All right, so it's free anyway and it's easy to set up in both platforms. So if you like this video, consider to subscribe, like, and comment. I would like to hear from you. What do you think about these two platforms and how do you use it or leverage it for your business? So I really appreciate anything that you do. So until next time, my name is Alex Ang. I wish you a great day, a wonderful week, and an awesome life ahead. See you on the next video.